Wait a second, I have to readjust my camera. There we go. So I have something really cool I want to show you. Now that I do these videos, now that I have over 220, maybe 230 episodes on my main channel, and I do these vlogs on 2 different cameras, maybe 3 different cameras soon, I'm not sure about that, I have to think about data safety. So I asked my community in a Facebook group, I asked also in another community that is a special YouTuber group for educational channels, how do you back up? Should I have a RAID? Should I have an NAS, a network attached server, I think? And they said, no, this is something different. They said, you need to have 3 copies on 2 different medias and 1 that is offsite. So I now have that. A 5 terabyte drive, Western Digital, a 4 terabyte internal drive, also Western Digital. The reason for that is I'm also having an online backup with a company that's called Backblaze. And they bring out a report of all the disks they have from the different companies like Seagate, Western Digital, all these kind of things. And from the reports, from the drives they failed, and they have thousands and thousands of drives in their data farm, Western Digital is the most safe drive. The good thing is I have now 1 drive that I can put inside of my computer, and this is getting backed up into the cloud right away too, which is pretty affordable and also unlimited data. So no matter if I have 4 terabytes or 400 terabytes, I apparently can upload it to them all, which is pretty convenient for me because there are not going to be any surprise bills. And also they have an extra service, which is an extra $2 per month, where they will keep all the files for 1 year. That's my backup situation right now. I'm really excited. And now I have to build this thing into my computer. Okay, so here's my little powerhouse with which I record all of my videos. So let's see if we can put in the new drive. Oh, this is what it looks inside. There we are back in my studio, behind me the beautiful picture we created in the last live stream. But now I want to show you something really amazing to organize your files. So let's switch over to my work view. And here you see a program. It's called Haste by Digital Rebellion. It's completely free. You can get it for Mac or PC. And what this does is to create a preset structure of files for you. You can create your own presets. So you can see here, I have this folder structure, 1 for my YouTube tutorials and 1 for my vlogs. And you can set this up with the names of the folder, everything. And you can also put text files in here. So if you click, this is more for like working with Adobe. So there's a lot of Adobe files. Affinity Photo isn't really in there, but that's not a problem. You can still create RTF files, which are rich text files and normal text documents. If you want to have that, for example, I use it for license. I use it for the YouTube text, stuff like that. So it's pretty cool. And now here is also the amazing thing. If you go to a new project, you see this view here, and you can select what of this you want to have in your file name. I put the date first because then it sorts for the date, and then I put the name of the entry. For example, you can see here the vlog name of this video. So if I create here on project, this will create a folder over here on my new disk where I have everything sorted. So you see YouTube main channel, YouTube vlog channel. So if I click in here, it opens up. I have the year 2020. I can click in here, and then here I have the vlog for today. So when I open this up, this is the folder structure. This is always created in the same way by the Haste software. And this is the most important thing, that you have the same structure so that you are really organized. Because if you make up a structure every time, you might forget something, you might do more sorting than in other projects. Here, It's the same thing with every project. So if I go into footage, for example, you can see I've sorted it by camera. And I can click in here. I have the video files of my DSLR. I have the video files of my smartphone. Then I can go back. I have the images that I'm using, in this case, the screenshots. I have the music in here that I'm using, and also the thumbnails, the other assets, license, YouTube text. Everything is super organized. And when I come back a year later, 2 years later, 3 years later, I can still find everything. Like I said, this software is completely free. Also, another thing I want to say, I can't believe how much my life improves over the last weeks with all the things I learn, with all the new gear I can play around with all the new cool stuff I can do for you. There is so many changes, so many improvements, so many new things that I can experience and learn. And you are part of that. So I'm really thankful for that. And I'm really happy that we are on this journey together with the community, with the channel, with the Facebook group, and of course with the live chat. So see you around in the next vlog, in the next live stream, or wherever we meet. Have a good day, be beautiful, and do amazing things. Thank you very much, and see you soon. Bye.